Guys, Logan here, and today I'm back with another video. So they're all here because they know I'm about to give them Phoenix. So it's feeding time because we give them vegetables, and corn is their favorite besides mealworms. So what we're going, I know I already said that about these foods I think yesterday, but I don't want to drop it on any of them. There we go. Watch him tear it apart. Hey, what are you looking at? Yeah, so they just tear that thing apart. They love corn. And they also like peppers and cucumbers a lot. Not peppers as much, but yeah, so there you can see them tearing apart that corn. So they'll be going at it for like ever. So I'm gonna give them some cucumbers. Hey. Hey. Yeah, they love it. Hey, you shy? Yeah. Here, I'm just gonna put that there for you, buddy. I'm gonna give them some peppers. They'll be pecking at that corn forever. They'll peck it down until it's like a cob. A corn cob. See? They'll tear it apart until it looks like that. Hey, Dory. I think I'm just gonna grab food and start just chucking it everywhere. Give them a big juicy patch, I guess. There we go. You know what? I don't know if I want to do that yet, but I mean, like, I think at one point I'm just gonna grab the whole thing and just just got dripped on. Hey, Phoenix. Whoa! they'll just take it and run. That time she got my finger. See, they've been tearing apart that corn. What I like to do is I try to make them jump for these. Hey, Dora. Yeah. They usually take it away so they don't have to share it. I don't know if these bigger chunks. These are pretty thick. I'm just gonna. I don't know. I'm just gonna put it in the water. It's just gonna be a floating cuke. Hey, buddy. Yeah, they love cucumbers. Anywho, yeah, I'm not gonna feed them some of these because they're like really big. How about you, little guy? You had some cucumbers? You just took it. You just took it. So yeah, guys, I guess that's it for this video. Just wanted to show you guys me feeding them. Hey, let's get him. Yeah. Let's just get one more view of that corn. Yep. Alright, guys, that's it for this chicken update. Make sure to be back whenever I upload another one. Bye.